Hello, good afternoon. This is Arya Apte, your account teacher. In last lecture, we finished already this investment chapter. In this lecture, we start in fact, we already start hire purchase system in installment. Just I go through the page. I hope you are see this video. In last lecture, we covered all hire purchase. The system which we follow in investment account. And after that, we started our purchase system. Yes, we already finished this. After that, uh, we done this table, and according to that, we pass journal entries. And we just see one example of this higher purchase system. So basically, in every problem, there is one term which is shown in table. We follow the instruction and make this correct table. According to that, we can make entry or Yes. So, according to table, we just see our first down payment is 7,500. After that, this installment is 7,500. Balance is 22,500. For 22,500 into 12 divided by 100, which is 2,700, which is interest for next year, and it will going to be reduced again balance 15,000, 15,000 again for 12%, so it will be 1,800, and again third year it is 900, so the balance is nil of balance. So the mm, total asset value is 30,000, interest 5,400, and total installment is 35,400, which is higher purchase system. And according to that, this type of entries and accounts will be prepared. If the cash payment, cash of this asset, or the value of asset is not given at that time, you just make in that situation we can make the reverse calculation in our table. See, so according to that, we can also calculate higher purchase, interest, and down payment, and cash payment, and installment. So it will be a similar problem. Uh, just put on this table, and according to table, you can make the correct. You can correct account according to table. So that this investment system, sorry, installment system, installment you know very well. In when we buy any vehicle, at that time we purchase on installment. So two-wheeler bike, if we can buy that, we have that time. We just ask the shop person, and they suggest us that you are make installment system. According to installment system, you can easily mm, purchase this bike, and you run on road at this moment also. So this is installment system. Most important, hire purchase, hire purchase and installment difference. Uh, Act governing, it is governed by, it is governed by Hire Purchase Act 1972, and Installment System 80, Sale of Goods Act 1930. Nature of content, it is an agreement of hire, it is an agreement of sale. Passing of a title, the title of good falls on let last payment of installment. the title of goods immediately to buy after paying first installment. Name of the parties involved. The parties involved call higher and higher vendor. The parties involved are called buyer and seller. Component, component other than cash price. Component other than cash price, including installment, is called higher charges. Components other than cash price, including installment, it is called interest. Right of return goods. If the buyer failed to pay any installment and seller can respond the goods back from the buyer. The seller cannot receive the goods back. Right of sale of goods. Buyer cannot sell the goods because he is not owner of these goods. Buyer can sell the goods because he is the owner of the goods. Responsibility. The buyer is not responsible for the risk or loss because title has not yet to be transferred. The buyer is responsible for the risk of loss of goods because ownership has transferred. Installment is treated, the installment is treated as a higher charges. Installment is treated as a repayment of principal together with interest. Fair or bad debt, less less fear of bad debts, more fear of bad debts in installment system. Protection to parties, more protection of the seller. In installment system, it is more protected to buyer. So this is the main difference between hire purchase and installment system, which is very important in your exam point of view. So we just go through the problem. Pushkar Industries Dule purchased one washing machine on 1st January 1990 from Vishal Industries Jalgaon under installment system. The cash price of washing machine was rupees 8,500. Pushkar Industry paid rupees 2,500 as a down payment and remaining amount paid every year with interest 10% per annum as follows. The December 2000, December 2000, 2000 and December 2001, it is 2000 with interest. Depreciation is charged on washing machine is 10% by journal entry and in the books of Pushkar Industry. So first, as usual, we can make the interest table, which is to see 2000 base value cash price 2500, balance of cash price is 6000, next installment 2600. How? Because 600 is the interest. So installment plus interest is cash price, we down payment down the 2000. So remaining in last year there will be nil balance, and according to that 9,700 is installment, interest is 1,200, and balancing cash price is 8,500. So this is interest table, which is made in compulsory in your examination at the time of installment system. So guys, please concentrate on this problem, which is very important. After that, they given journal entry. Washing machine account debit 8,500. Interest suspense account 1,200. To Vishal Industries account 9,700. Being purchase washing machinery in installment purchase. Vishal Industries account debit 2,500. To bank 2,000. Being down payment paid. Interest account debit 600, interest suspense account 600. Being interest is payable. Vishal Industry debit 2600 to bank 2600. Being first installment with interest rate. Depreciation account debit to washing machine account 8050 850. Being depreciation on cash price 8500 at 10%. Profit and loss 1450 to interest to depreciation. It will going to be 1450. Next depreciation and the entry will be this is going to repeatedly in first, second, third year. Only first the down payment entry those entries are one time, but otherwise other all entries are repeatedly coming in your account. According to this table, we can make the account also. Too much doing interest suspense account also in installment system. So yeah, it will be finish our third chapter. So we can revise investment, hire purchase, installment once again. If anybody are in Marathi medium, they also listen because I am telling in Marathi also. So we have three books: investment, company account, and banking company. in investment, there is 1, 2, and 3 units are similar because they are participate in interest or the down payment and these concepts. So after that, four and fifth unit in book number one, it will be focusing on farm accounting, म्हणजे शेती उद्योग. After that, book number two is going to be company account and insurance company. And last book number three, it will be banking and computerized final account. So now we already finish our unit number one, unit number two, unit number three in book number one. Just we revise all the terms because it will be in Marathi also and English also. I'm taking already in English, but the Marathi medium student also going to be participate for examination, and they are focusing on Marathi language for that paper. So we just go through Marathi book and we doing the correct action towards our syllabus. So पहिला त्याला आहे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. मी जरी इंग्लिश पुस्तक जरी तुम्हाला दिसत असलं तरी पण जरी इंग्लिश पुस्तक जरी तुम्हाला दिसत असलं तरी मी मराठीतून त्याला काय म्हणतात आणि कशा प्रकारे आपण त्याला म्हणायचं आहे हे आपण बघणार आहोत. तर पहिलं आहे गुंतवणूक लेखे म्हणजेच इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये जो पैसा पैसा मिळवून देतो त्याला गुंतवणूक असे म्हणतात. मनी दॅट अर्न मनी इज इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. ऑलरेडी त्यांनी स्क्वेअर मध्ये दिलेलंच आहे पेज नंबर थर्ड वर. आफ्टर दॅट ते गिवन त्यांनी वेगवेगळे प्रकार दिले होते एक्स इंटरेस्ट आणि कम इंटरेस्टचे सेलच्या बाबतीतले. आणि काही मुद्दे दिलेले आहेत जे दलाल आणि बोनस शेअर, राईट शेअर वगैरे किंवा त्याला म्हणतात दलाली व इतर खर्च, बोनस शेअर, राईट शेअर, व्याज मिळालेले, न व्याज मिळालेले, वर्षाअखेरची शिल्लक असलेले, प्रतिभूती आणि खात्यात शिल्लक काढणे, असं हे सगळे टर्म्स त्यांनी दिलेले आहेत महत्त्वाच्या मुद्द्याने. परीक्षेमध्ये जस्ट असं छोटस राईटअप लिहायला येऊ शकतं. त्याच्यानंतर प्रॉपर त्यांनी उदाहरणं दिलेली आहेत. लक्ष्मीनारायण रॉयल कंपनी लिमिटेड 6% दराने कर्ज रोख्यामध्ये केलेल्या व्यवहाराचे तपशील पुढील प्रमाणे दिलेले आहेत. 1 जानेवारी ला 95 रुपये या दराने व्याजासह 10,000 रुपये कर्ज रोखे खरेदी केले. त्याची कशी एंट्री केली आहे ती बघा. बँक खाते 10,000, 150 रुपये आणि बाहेर आहेत 9,350. आणि मग त्याचा इंटरेस्ट त्यांनी तिथे 300 दाखवलेला आहे 6 महिन्याचा. अशा प्रकारे प्रत्येक जे आहे ते शेअर टोटल करून आपल्याला या 3 रकण्यामध्ये त्याचे अमाऊंट भरायचे आहे आणि फायनल अमाऊंट हा सेटल केला जाणार आहे. शिवाय तुम्हाला स्पष्टीकरणाचे टीप म्हणजे वर्किंग नोट सुद्धा तिथे दिलेल्या आहेत व्यवस्थित, त्याच्यावर तुम्ही बघून घ्या. सेलचं जसं आहे तसं परचेसचं पण दिलेलं आहे. असे सिमिलर प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला इन्व्हेस्टमेंट म्हणजे गुंतवणूक लेख्यामध्ये येतील. नंतरचा धडा आहे भाडे करार पद्धत, भाडे खरेदी पद्धत, आता भाडे खरेदी पद्धत मध्ये काय, तर आपल्याला एखादी वस्तू घ्यायची आहे आणि आपण मग ती काय करतो की आपल्याकडे तर एवढे पैसे नसतात, मग त्याच्यासाठी आपण भाडे खरेदी पद्धतीचा अवलंब करतो. तर आता त्यांनी उदाहरण दिलं, अ हा खरेदीदाराने ब या विक्रेत्याकडून एक पंखा 1/7/2000 रोजी भाडे खरेदी पद्धतीने करार करून विकत घेतला. भाडे खरेदी पद्धतीनुसार या पंख्याची किंमत 1200 रुपये आहे. ही किंमत अ ने 120 रुपये एक अशा 10 हप्त्याने भरायची आहे. जर अ ने सर्व हप्ते बरोबर भरले तर 10व्या हप्त्याला भरलेल्या बरोबर म्हणजेच एप्रिल 2001 पासून अ हा या पंखाचा मालक होईल. म्हणजे आपण जेव्हापर्यंत पैसे हे भरत नाही, पूर्ण त्यांना देत नाही, तोपर्यंत त्याचे आपण मालक होत नाही. फक्त आपल्याला ती वस्तू आहे म्हणजे ती थोडक्यात काय बुकिंग झालेली आहे आणि आपण ती पूर्ण पैसे भरून आपल्याला ती परत मिळणार आहे. आता भाडे खरेदी पद्धत करताना आपल्याला अकाउंटिंगच्या ट्रीटमेंट मध्ये काय करावं लागेल, तर आपल्याला व्याज दाखवणारा एक तक्ता तयार करावा लागतो. त्याच्यानंतर त्यांचे जे खाते आहेत, मोटार यंत्र खातं म्हणजे व्याज खातं, विक्रेता खातं, घसारा खाते, तर हे सगळं आपल्याला त्याच्यासाठी प्रिपेअर करणं. पण तत्पूर्वी आपल्याला एक टेबल तयार करावं लागणार, ज्याच्यामध्ये लिहिलेलं असणार की काय कशा प्रकारे आपल्याला ते करायचे आहे.